4 is one of those. Where are they? Can you call it them for me?
Come here.
Rosan. You don't have foreigners here? You don't have foreigners here? You do not have foreigners here. All people that are employed here are South Africans.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have their document?
Document.
Yes.
Yeah. ID.
IDs, bank statement. How do you pay them? How do you pay them?
I pay for cash.
Cash? Are you paying them cash? South Africans. They do not have accounts. They don't. Why do you not open them accounts? Why do you not call the bank, come here because you're a businessman and open them accounts? Why you think we're not doing that?
No.
These envelopes are for salaries for them. What is this for?
For price, man.
For price.
Yeah.
Okay. So why are you paying them on hand?
I always pay
Answer
for
my
that.
question. Why? They do not have bank account. Did you request those bank accounts from them?
No.
Listen here. From today on, how much are they earning? Ni hola Manila.
1.2 ngeso.
Eh?
1.2 per week.
Give week. No can hold 1.2 give week. No can give hold 1.2. Okay. Are you giving them 1.2 a week, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to chop up 200 rand on top. That's going to 1.4 a week. Why I'm saying this? This thing that they're doing here, there are wardrobes here and so many things which are very heavy. So there are ladies like this one. So you're going to add 200 rand on top of that? One. How many hours are they working?
Oh, yeah.
How many hours? Yeah, an employer, but you don't even know how many hours are they working.
How many hours? From 8 to 5.
Start
8 to 5.
and 1 hour for lunch.
8 to 5.
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's fine. What hours? It's okay. But you must fix this thing of bank account. Are they registered with Department of Labor? Did they have Provident Fund?
I pay you.
How could you pay UIF while you're giving them on hand? That means you're stealing their money again.
Huh?
Yes, you're stealing their money. How could you pay Provident Fund while you're giving them on
By
hand?
hand.
How could you pay Provident Fund, UIF, while you're paying them on cash?
No, nangusesidwa ukuthi my sister bafika aba Department of Labor bakuveza ukuthi ngathi uyabakhokhela ngale.
Department of Labor ubhadara bona ukuthi abafihle lamanyofonyofo abawenzayo. We know that we are also up to into ka labor. Bayayazi ukuthi ngisemva kwabo even Department of Labor uBargaining Council bayazi ngisemva kwabo. Siyagijimisana plus uCCMA. Because labantu laba baphatha namhlanje befuna ukuxosha leka did they have contracts? Show me one contract of your own of one of them. Bring me the contract of one of them. Contract, employment contract. Bring it.
Kanjani UIF ngomqashile permanent?
Bring me employment contract. Okay, Chief.
Ayikho.
Because you are failing to communicate with me, we're going to close the shop. We're not going to cooperate today until you fix all these problems. Provident Fund, UIF, register these people with
Contract.
Department of Labor and contract. Because this thing of not employing these people permanently, it makes you that if you fail to fire him today, you can even fire him or her. Tomorrow you employ the other one, of which you're not going to tolerate.
Agreement.
Nikhuluma kanjani lo muntu? Nikhuluma kanjani?
English.
Ngoba ngazwela namanje.
Insizwa zakithi. Ningaba la eSouth Africa nina noma nifuna ukuxoshwa ngimi simfundisa aqasha. Somlethela phela ama CV. Bangabe nani kunixaka because isilungisana nina la. Chief, usayini i-contract.
Ithini contract ayisayinile?
Usayini i-contract. Unayo? Lokhu ngibhadala ngezandla. Lama wardrobe mengena lapho kwakhe ngithi. Ungabe nenzohole ningakhuluphalisa niphinde nithule ningafuni ukuthi ni-cooperate because ayikho umuntu ozomxosha lokho ekazexoshe lo into esiyidinga ukuthi amrejiste esiyidinga ukuthi kube nama-contract because if namhlanje ukwathiswe intombi yakhe imincinta yona afike namhlanje ethela kufaka indlela sasho uqasha omunye uzoxosha usho ukuthi awazi kuye kusesisem nalo muntu ngoba akakwazi nangomazi angihlangene anihlanganisayo angithi manje ngicela ngamina ngomezulu ngizomlethela ama-CV abantu enzomphoqa ukuthi akabaqashi mase ngabe niwezi ufuna ukucooperate nathi because we have a right to do that. There's a lot of people around him abafuna umsebenzi. So the shop will be closed from now on, Chief, until we fix the matter. You understand? The shop will be closed. And why?
Who tell you I must close?
I'm the one who's telling you we're going to.
You are for government or for what?
You're going to close the shop now.
Yeah, no.
Are you refusing?
Everything,
Are you
Who
refusing?
tell you I must close? Yeah.
First of all, you didn't even introduce your document of being South African. Where are the documents? Your document from where you coming from?
You are not for government.
Who told you so?
Huh?
Who told you?
You got any letter for that one?
Hey, yes, you know English. Chief, listen, the shop will be closed right now. I'm not playing games with you.
You can't close my shop.
You will see. Ukada senza ngane Isitolo siyazivala lesi njengamanje. Siyazivala isitolo. Angizwa. Tsela. Sasangwa ngiyaphuma siyavala isitolo. Siyazivala isitolo. We're not playing games with you. This is South Africans are you playing with? Hey, Puma Mnumzan. South Africa isitolo kurikhathi iqala phansi le.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. MK ayidlali ke sana, i-MK maseyifikile ishaya spani ke sana, msebenzi wabo kushaya ispani kwasho X. So mama foreigner nayo lento ukuthi uma iSouth African mhlambe imkhulumisa uyibakhulumisa, especially if abona ukuthi usenkinga naluka yenta ngazuthi akakunderstand akakuva, uma ngale ukuthi lo muntu communicate kanjani nalabanye abantu uma mina ngangiva aluke enda ngathi akavisisi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani, akakunderstand akakuva njengoba sibona enda lo bot lokhu nje ubanike attitude wenda ngathi akabeva uhlule sikuthi bakhuluma ngani, wenda ngathi akamvisisi makakhuluma uze wabuta lo bot kokuthi yini nikhuluma njani nalo muntu lo, bathi sikhuluma naye i-English, bathi lokhu nje angangiva mina nikhuluma yipi English nini, because akafuni cooperator bambuta labambuta kona nje kwazivila athi ubhadala i-UIF mara ubaholela ngetandla, and these people bayathanda ukuholela ama-employees abo ngetandla, bayathanda kubaholela ngetandla abaholeli kuma-bank. These people are South Africans labasebenza lapho, hayi angabaholeli kuma-accounts abo. Mabambuta ama-questions uyambona ukuthi akekho interested nje akangenelani, but isitolo siyazivala, wathi ngeke nize nisivala isitolo sami, bamkhomba ukuthi bona they are not here to play, they mean business. Basho baqosha bonke labasebenzi ukuthi abahambe bavala isitolo because this guy uyatselela une-attitude. Ungathi foreign country yebantu bathi bafuna indoda ibe in order takho bese wena uyala mawusuka lapho ukuthi abazivala isitolo. Msebenzi we-MK kushaya spani. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.